Today I'm going to build my very own heads-up display, just like the one that Tony Stark uses in his Iron Man helmet. Have you ever wanted to be just a little bit like Iron Man, but maybe a little too broke? I would just want to be able to watch YouTube and have my hands free at the same time. So why not just try and replicate a concept from a science fiction movie just so that I can cook and watch YouTube videos at the same time? First few things that I'm gonna need are some household materials. After I collected all the materials and I figured out which ones were actually usable and which ones I should work with, it started to come together. No one will actually be able to see what you can see. They might see the tint, the hue of light shining through, but they will not be able to get any images out of what you can see. At the very least, I have discovered that it's definitely one of the quickest ways to get ahead. It needs one more strap, and I'm gonna have to find something else to take apart. Alright, so the sacrifice has been made. This gives me an idea, and not a good one. Let's find, on a scale of 1 to 10, how uncomfortable is this to wear? $25. It grips to my forehead a lot better now that I feel like out of all the ways to like get brain damage, this is definitely one of the more creative ones. All it really is like a mirror, except it's a transparent mirror. We all know that time when you might be looking through a window and you can actually see yourself in the reflection. You can see yourself very clearly, but you can also see out of the window just as clearly. That's what we're trying to build here, something that you can see out just as effectively as you can see what's being reflected off of it. I want to make this device as compatible with what other people will have in their own rooms as possible. And just having a smartphone be the main computer and the display really cuts costs, because basically almost everyone has a smartphone. If you're watching this video, there's a chance you're watching it on a smartphone. Unfortunately, mine is definitely not the most comfortable one on the market. However, it was made in only one day. When it comes to pricing to functionality, that's where mine wins. The heads-up display was free for me to make, and it works. No, it doesn't have like active tracking, and it's not Bluetooth, but your phone slides directly into it. You could have an app that allows you to interface with this device, and just like that, it's a fully functional, wearable heads-up display. If you like this video, do me a favor and tap the like button underneath this video. I would really appreciate it. And if this video gets 20 likes, I'll show you all of the navigation aspects and the compatible apps with a device like this.